Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your DOOGEE X97 Pro louder. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then tap on the search bar and look for the volume app. Choose one of these boosters. I'm always using the GOODEV app. Click yes, agree or no thank you 3 times and choose close window. Tap on the OK and the tool is active. If you want to increase your volume power, slide the slider to the right, the 16% is max, so just adjust your needs. And now if you tap on the home screen, the tool is still active at the background. If you close it from the background apps, the tool is still active. So if you want to turn it off, just open it from the home screen or background apps, choose stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.